In the world of data science, understanding machine learning and data mining doesn't have to begin with complex code or advanced mathematics. Orange, an open-source data visualization and analysis tool, simplifies this journey through its intuitive, drag-and-drop interface. Ideal for beginners, educators, and even seasoned professionals, Orange empowers users to build sophisticated analytical workflows without writing a single line of code. With its vast library of widgets, users can import data, clean and preprocess it, visualize patterns, build predictive models, and evaluate performance all in a visual and interactive way. In this video, we'll guide you through creating your very first classification model using Orange. You'll learn how to load datasets, select features, handle missing values, apply classification algorithms like logistic regression, and evaluate the results using cross-validation and confusion matrices. You'll also discover how Orange can be applied across real-world use cases from academic research to business analytics and even medical diagnostics. Whether you are exploring machine learning for the first time or seeking a rapid prototyping tool, Orange offers the flexibility, visual clarity, and community support to bring your data projects to life. Start your data science journey today with Orange, where data mining meets simplicity.